In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in ClickUp. ClickUp is a fantastic all-in-one project management tool that's perfect for staying organized, especially when it comes to planning and scheduling your content. A content calendar is crucial for ensuring that you and your team are on the same page about what's being published and when. It helps keep track of ideas, streamline the publishing process, and make collaboration seamless. So, let's dive right into how you can set up your content calendar using ClickUp. First, head over to the Templates section in ClickUp. You'll find this in the main menu. Here, you're going to navigate to Marketing and Creative, and you'll see an option for a content calendar template. This template is beautifully structured to cater to all your content management needs, and the best part? It's free. Go ahead and click on Get Free Template. This will allow you to add it to your preferred space or folder within ClickUp, making it easily accessible for your team whenever needed. Once the template is added, you'll notice it comes equipped with several preset statuses. For example, you'll see stages such as Idea, In Review, Scheduled, and Published. These are designed to help track the progress and make sure everyone's aware of where each piece of content stands in the pipeline. This is especially useful for teams that need a clear and transparent workflow, ensuring that every piece of content travels seamlessly from concept to publication. In addition to the statuses, the template includes custom fields. These fields can be tailored to fit your specific content needs, whether it's noting down the channel, identifying the content type, or designating the publish date. Such customization means you can track whatever details are most important for your projects, allowing you to personalize the calendar to suit your team's processes and information prioritization. The template also provides multiple views to visualize your content plans. These include List, Board, Calendar, Timeline, Gantt, Docs, and even meeting minutes. Having these different perspectives allows you to choose the view that works best for whatever task you're tackling. For example, the calendar view is terrific for seeing an overview of when content pieces are scheduled to go live. Meanwhile, the board view is excellent for those who prefer a more Kanban-style workflow. Whether you're a single creator or part of a bigger team, this template accommodates the need for a visual publishing schedule. It's perfect for helping manage content briefs, promoting collaboration among team members, and providing a built-in structure that gives everyone a centralized source of truth. So, there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you can implement a robust content calendar in ClickUp, helping you stay organized and efficient in your content production efforts. Happy